Updating your legal name on your Cornèrtrader account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Before starting the update process, collect all necessary documents that prove your legal name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or a court order. Step 2. Log into your Cornèrtrader account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in your account dashboard. This area typically contains options for personal information updates. Step 4. Submit name change requests. Find the option to update your name and follow the prompts to submit your request. You may need to upload the documents you gathered in Step 1 to verify your name change. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from Cornèrtrader. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated in your Cornèrtrader account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.